So check it out, you can see we have a fully assembled bed frame right now. Now let's go ahead, let's peel off the tape and stick our mattress on. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Zinus Abel 14-inch metal platform bed. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. We have the queen size platform bed. This is available in multiple sizes ranging from twin, full, queen, and king. And if you're wondering, the height of this bed frame is 14 inches. Here are all the contents. As you can see, we have all of our metal bed pieces as well as our tool, our hardware kit. They come with a couple of different thank you and hello cards. And you can see we have our user guide and manual. Let's go ahead, let's look at that in more detail. So here it is up close. You can see front and center, we have a QR code you can scan if you want access to a full step-by-step assembly video. You can see a nice breakdown of all the parts and components and how everything goes together. We can flip it over and you have 7 individual steps to complete full assembly. And you can see our hardware kit right here, and it does come with spare parts. So first up, in step 1, you can see we're going to be connecting both one pieces together. So go ahead, you'll see the corners where the ones will line up, and we're going to use 2 of the L bolts that are right here. And we're going to connect them through the back side of this piece into this piece. So here you go, you can see we completed step 1. Check it out from the other side. So we have our 2 L bolts connected right there. And then we'll go to the other side as well too, so you can see there's our other one section connected together. So now we're ready for step 2. You can see we're gonna do the same thing on step 2, but this side for the opposite 2 corners. We're gonna repeat the same process, take our L bolts, bring them in from the back, and tighten them down into the other piece marked 2. All right, so now you can see step 2 is complete. We have both corners tightened in place. And now we're ready for step 3. You can see step 3 right here. So right at the center, we're going to add our support columns. So check that out. They're labeled 3 for us. We have 2 of them, and we're going to be using the S bolts this time. It's the only other piece of hardware in there, and they're smaller than the L bolts. So now you can see step 3 is complete. So check it out. We have the S bolts fastened in place, and we can go ahead, look at it from the other side, same thing. Now we're ready for step 4. You can see we're going to take our L bolt through our piece marked 4 and into our other piece marked 4 as well, and you can see how it's going to look. So now you can see what it looks like. We just need to tighten everything in place, so be sure to set it up just like you see here. L coming through the top of our 2 4 pieces. And pay attention, we do have, if you can see that up there, we have our side that's labeled up for us. That's going to be up with our noise reducing tape. So now we just need to tighten them in place. So now you can see we have everything fastened in place, and it's time for step 5. So in step 5, you can see we're to connect the piece that we just built in step 4 using 2 S bolts on each side to fasten it into the frame. So now you can see we have the piece fastened into the frame, and same with the other side. Now it's time for step 6. We're going to get the slats installed. Pay attention to the user guide right here letting us know that we have special placement for the 4 slats that have non-slip tape. So check it out. You can see we have a fully assembled bed frame right now. Now let's go ahead, let's peel off the tape and stick our mattress on. So check it out. You can see we now have our Zinus Queen 6-inch memory foam mattress installed on the bed frame. Everything fits great. It looks great. Overall, really solid bed frame. If you're looking for something that's sturdy, but also going to replace having a box spring, you'll enjoy having a bed frame like this. Lastly, I wanted to mention and point out that with this being 14 inches, we have ample room for storage underneath, as you can see right here. So from the sides, we don't have any metal bars obstructing our ability to slide storage bins or objects in or out from underneath the bed. And at 14 inches high, it's going to come up to around your shin. And then however tall your mattress is, so in this case, the mattress is 20 inches off the ground, 14 inches for the bed frame, and 6 inches for the memory foam mattress. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? and subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.